Hi, this is James from Square Internet with another WordPress tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple menu for your WordPress website. So the first thing we need to do is log into our website. As you can see, I'm running WordPress version 4.94 with the Beans WordPress framework. So how do we create a menu for our website? The first thing we need to do is come over here to the side menu, hover over Appearance and click on Menus. As you can see, we've now got a section for creating and managing the menus and navigation of our website. Now all that we need to do is click on Create a new menu. I'm going to call this menu Main Menu. And we've just created a blank menu. So the two boxes that we're looking at now, the first one contains the menu structure and the menu settings. The menu structure refers to the items in the menu, the content of the menu, and the menu settings allows us to determine where the menu displays. So the display location setting here allows us to determine whether this menu shows as a primary menu, and depending on your WordPress theme you'll be presented with some other options here, typically potentially things like display mobile menu alternative, display as primary menu, display as footer. But for the purpose of this video I want it to display as a primary menu in the place you'd usually expect a menu to be, at the top of your website here. So we're going to set this as our primary menu. Now the second box on the left contains the menu content, and it's separated into four boxes. So Pages, which contains a list of the pages on the website. Posts has our posts. Custom Links is the section where you can create, you guessed it, a custom link where you can determine what the link says and where the link goes. For the purpose of this video I'm going to show you how to structure your menu using existing pages of your website to keep it simple. And I've created a home and an about page for the purposes of the video. So I want to add the home and about page to my menu. So I'm going to click, first of all I'm going to select the page and then I'm going to click Add to Menu. I can see that's the wrong home, so I'm going to click Add to Menu. So you can see it says page here rather than custom link, which is what the other page said. And if you click on the drop down, you can set the navigation label. So this is what the link will actually read on your menu. And I'm going to add about. Again, it's another page. Navigation label reads about. So now I've added two simple pages to my main menu. I've set it in the primary location. I'm going to save the menu, and because it's been set as the primary menu it should now be displaying at the top of the website when I refresh the page. Yeah, there you go. So as you can see, we've got home and about reflecting the content we've added to our menu in the menu section of the back end of the website. So there you go, nice and simple and straightforward. Just to go through it one more time really quickly. You can add pages, posts, custom links and categories to your menu. Typically for a simple WordPress menu, all that you'll be dealing with are pages. So one more time really quickly. I'm going to add about. Add home. I'm going to move home above about. One more quick thing actually while I think about it. When you're structuring the menu, if you want to create a drop down menu, you can do this very easily with the drag and drop functionality of the menu section. So if we wanted to have about display as a drop down item of home, all that we need to do is click and hold and move it slightly across to the right until it drops down again and snaps into place, And as you can see, about is now being structured as a sub item. So if I save the menu and refresh it, you'll see that it's changed from a simple menu to a drop down menu. I won't go too much into drop down menus in this video because I'll probably do another full video on drop down menus, as they're slightly more complicated, and I'd like to walk you through them properly so that you don't get frustrated or pull your hair out with them. But yeah, there you go, nice and simple, how to create a simple WordPress menu for your website. Hopefully you found the content helpful. If there's anything you'd like to see expanded upon, or anything you weren't sure about, or anything that's not quite coinciding with what you're seeing or your theme, feel free to leave me a comment on the video. And make sure you subscribe for future videos if you're looking for simple, helpful tips on WordPress, Visual Composer, WooCommerce, and basic marketing tips for small business owners and marketing people. Thanks for watching, and look out for the next video. Cheers.